Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 16th and 17th of June. Sagittarius, your channel cards are love. Love in every language, straight from the heart. Never apart. And once we learn to speak it, all the world will hear. Love in every language, fluently spoken here. Okay, so I'm getting something about love. We have the Queen of Pentacles, which can also refers to a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn woman, and we have MK Ultra. So we're getting Sagittarius, you're the angel. So I'm getting the only type of love you would deal with is healthy love. Love that is of a higher vibration. We talk about taking care of each other, watering each other's needs, nurturing each other, simplicity, harmonious relationships. I'm getting somebody's trying to get you used to toxic relationship. Maybe your mother has been through abusive relationships and that bitch is just so fucking jealous if you're in a relationship where you're being treated fairly. You're with a man who is not beating the fuck out of you. How dare you? You know what I had to take from your father, right? I'm getting somebody when you get comfortable with very toxic relationships. Maybe this is something about being subservient to a man. Maybe somebody want you to be comfortable with being yelled at, being screamed at, being humiliated, feeling like you're underneath somebody. But me getting Sagittarius is the angel. Taurus rules Venus, which is about love. So I'm getting the only type of love that attracts you or you're attracted to is healthy type of love. And I know that especially as females, whatever love our mothers went through, chances are generational curse will put us through the same relationship and we will be paired with the same type of man. But I'm getting you're breaking generational curses, Sagittarius. Whatever you saw your mother go through, you want the opposite of it. You're getting you want unconditional love. And maybe somebody wants you to be very desperate of getting love that you love somebody else before you love yourself. I'm getting, again, you're breaking generational curses. All right, so let's go ahead and go into your reading. You're getting somebody want to get comfortable with taking abuse or being abused, and you translate that to love. Yeah, I fucked on you, but I love you so much. Will you stay? Yeah, I abandoned you to fuck other people because I just needed to get all of this calm out my system. And when I was finished, I was going to come back for you. And you're supposed to be comfortable with that. You're supposed to be comfortable with hitting and being talked down upon and being controlled. And you're supposed to translate that to blood clot love. Do you look like Boo Boo the clown? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius, the angel. We have the star card coming out first. Worse, you're a celebrity. And God knows how much humiliation celebrity has went through when it comes on to love. Okay? So me getting you don't have nothing for proof. Because I know sometimes when you're a celebrity and you're in the spotlight, maybe your fans or people will be like, where's your mans? Where's your woman? Don't you think it's time for you to be with somebody? And you might be so desperate you choose the wrong fucking character to be with. All because you want to please the fans and you're a celebrity. And you know, listen to me. When you're a celebrity, staying alone is the best thing. Now, if you find a love that will love you unconditionally, by all means, go for it. But I'm getting you being this type of star, people want to see you in a terrible situation. They want to see you fight and argue and police is being called. That's what they want for you. What I'm getting, yeah, that's not what you were brainwashed to believe love is. We have the 3 of Wands. Yeah, me getting you don't care if somebody turn them back on you. You will not beg for love. You will not beg to be accepted. You will not beg somebody and say, I'll change, please. Just come back and love me. Me getting you love yourself more, the star card. You have to. You're a celebrity. You have to love yourself more. Look how much people going to hate on you. Look how much fans going to troll you. I know you don't like me. You want to fight me. Always on my YouTube. Never double tap like me. Baddies to my left and my right. Never chase a corny nigga. Put that on my life. Just be in his face. Put it in his face. And then send it in your face. Put it on his face. Somebody come get her. Even your man, no Vanessa, do it better. Make it think you know your words. That's why you're not desperate for love. Because you would be big. You would be like, listen, I know what I know. And he knows what he knows. And I'm going to show the public why I know that he's the one who did me wrong. I do not know you. How could you say that? You're not calling a blood clot man phone. You're not texting him. You're not saying, hey, can we spin the block one more time? Me getting you count your blessings. You wash your hands and you say, you know what? Onto the blood clot next. Even look at a man like Michael Jackson. He never had love. And then they try to pair him with Elizabeth Taylor. Not Elizabeth Taylor. Who they try for who? Somebody's daughter. Was it Elvis Presley's daughter? And then this girl is like, I am not with Michael for money. Michael look like him give a fuck. Michael do this behind her. And she's like, Michael, you need to be serious. I need to show the fans that I'm not with you for money. I am not with Michael for money. What the fuck? Michael just wanted his virginity to be taken. This bitch trying to show the public why she's not with him for money. Him is the one of the richest man alive. Money going come up. So I'm getting, yeah, whoever turn them back on you, oh well. That's no different from a contract or a sponsorship deal you never get to finalize. We have the Knight of Cups, but I'm getting a love is coming in. You see, the easier you can get over somebody who you know don't love you is the easier love can come. Cause when you think you love somebody or you think somebody love you and you're in that heartbreaking energy, make it think you can't receive love. You have your walls up, everything feels broken, and obviously the next man who come into your life is gonna be punished for whatever somebody else did to you. But I'm getting, just like a celebrity, you're used to getting rejection. And even if that means getting rejected by people who you thought would have been beside you. We have the King of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting a love is coming in. I'm getting somebody who want to take care of you. I'm getting somebody very sweet, very gentle, very calm. And we have the Emperor. Yep. You might even have 3 people coming at you at the same time. But you know that we're not fans of 69. I'm not a fan of 69. Me, I think either you or you ask me. We cannot do that at the same time. The fuck is wrong with you? The fuck is wrong with you? That's like, can you tickle your own self? When you tickle your own self, do you laugh? That's how 69 is. You want me to focus on, can you, while you skim up? I can't focus. Let's clarify. So I'm getting 3 suitors. No, the 3 of wands. 1, 2, 3 men. maybe somebody's turning up the MK Ultra. Them going to make 3 men approach you, and 3 of them are going to abandon you. Okay, well, sometimes the number 4 is the lucky number. Ask Speed. Ask Speed the way how him beat Ashton hard. That 4 was a fucking lucky number. Sometimes, sweetie, you just have to deal with the bad before you get the good. Okay, that's all. The Star card is clarified by the 8 of Cups. Alright, so I'm seeing you drinking alone, you're having a good time alone, or me getting as a celebrity, as a star in that sky. I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain eagle high. Yeah, I made it. I'm the world's greatest. Me say, the way how PD this shit is happening, R. Kelly got a time to fucking breathe. I'm that little bit of hope when my back's against the wall. Can I make it? I'm the world's greatest. That was my graduation song. You know that? When I was going to Norman Gardens primary and junior high. See it right here. So that's the song we did sing. I'm that star up in, when we were graduating, I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain eagle high. Yeah, I made it. And we were walking down that, when I go Norman, when I did graduate, First of all, you should know that when I was going to Norman Gardens primary and junior high stops at the 9th grade. When I was graduating Norman Gardens in the 6th grade, I was valedictorian for the school. During 2005, I was valedictorian. And when we were graduating, we were in uniform and all of us had a candle in our hands. All of us to get one candle, the whole student body. And we walked down the aisle. I'm that star up in the sky. I'm that mountain hero high. Yeah, I made it. I'm the world's great. Vauxhall High School knew, Norman Gardens High School knew that they were going to birth a celebrity. I'm telling you, who was my teacher? Miss Rochester Morgan. Miss Rochester Morgan, she was one of my teachers. I'm that little bit of hope when my back's against the wall. Yeah, I made it. I'm the world's greatest, right? So I'm getting, as a celebrity, you have to know how to spend time alone. You're gonna get rejection out of jealousy. Because you might meet a man who have more money than you and him well established more than you, but you have more fame. You may tell you, fame will go to people's head. Fame will make people hate you because people know your name. Because I'm getting King of Cups, King of Pentacles, the Emperor. And we have the Three of Wands. All three of these men are turning them back. Maybe them know each other. Maybe that's the deal. They're going to hurt your heart. They're going to hurt your heart. They're going to hurt your heart. And is that supposed to stop you from being a celebrity? I'm pretty sure if a man fuck you and don't call you back, you don't lose the ability to sing, dance, or write. Unless that's what somebody wants to. That, I don't know. The industry has been using men to break women's hearts and throw them off for a very, very long time. I just say, listen to me. You cannot break my heart and make me not show up for work. Maybe you can get me pregnant or not make me show up for work, but definitely, no, it cannot be that serious. The Three of Wands is clarified by the Tower. And if you know, if you suspect that, oh my God, every man with their way to abandon me, sweetie, then you treat it like fucking Love is Blind. Treat it like fucking Love Island. You're there with him, oh, you had a nice time, it never worked. Okay. Then you're there with the King of Pentacles. It never worked. Oh, okay. And then you're there with the Emperor. Maybe somebody's trying to send men your way to break your heart. So by the time you reach to them, you'll be like, you know what? I think I'm going to stop here. Them have to send you shitty characters to so that when you reach the Emperor, you'll be like, wow, I've dated so much garbage men. I never dated a man like you. That was the plan. The Knight of Cups is clarified by the Queen of Wands. Okay, so me getting the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man, him already in a relationship with a woman. But him on dating sites trying to date you because you're the celebrity. The King of Pentacles is clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so me kind of getting the King of Pentacles is more focused on the money and work and maybe contracts he can get while he's seen with you. And let's see what the Emperor has to offer. The Emperor is the Empress. Okay, so me getting the Emperor. Okay, maybe somebody married. I'm getting all it. Okay, so the only man me see here that might be, I don't know, because the Knight of Cups, him with a girl. Him already with a girl. But that won't block him from trying to apply for this position and making cameras seeing him with you. Me getting the King of Pentacles, he mostly work oriented. Maybe your best bet is the King of Pentacles, because I don't see a woman here. The Emperor has him. The Emperor don't only have a woman, he have him Empress. This is the counterparts. So why would the Emperor cheat on his own counterpart with you? Unless it's because you have more fame, clothes. But you're going to fuck over your own wife, you're going to fuck over your own girlfriend because you want to be seen on TV? Yeah. Like you have people who stay that way. They like to sell them soul for fame that way. I'm telling you, man. I'm not even famous yet. I'm met people who were blood clot crazy for camera. I'm like, really? You could never do reality TV because obviously when the camera comes on, you're a totally different person. You should learn to be very comfortable around the cameras, and then the cameras will follow you. Every time you see camera, oh my God, I'm on camera. Look, it's me. Oh my. And then you look dumb with your 5 minutes of fame. It was worth nothing. You're skipped over like the daily fucking newspaper. That's what the fuck you are. So the Emperor married. Him look like him not married, but him look like him into investing and stocking in money. And then we have the Knight of Cups, which does have a woman. So that don't stop all of these men from approaching you. But me getting you have to know how far you're going to go with these men. Cause just, yeah, these men might lie to you and cheat on them girlfriends with you. But yeah, you are the celebrity. You have to know say the man where you're going to take into your space and display in front of people. You have to make sure say him not have none of that in him pass. Because they will lie to just be with you. It's your job to scout it out. Or somebody want you get comfortable with your man having another woman. The more you be comfortable. Yeah, the toxic love. Be comfortable with being a mistress. Be comfortable with being a side chick. Sweetie, I'm only comfortable if I'm the only fucking one. Like the cover of a fucking book. We have Mercury. Mercury rules Virgo and Gemini. We have the soul was sold, yeah. They must sell out them own wife, them girlfriend. They must sell out anybody just to be on TV. Believe me, that's not a person you want. We have Shark. We have Jupiter. Jupiter rules Sagittarius. It also rules luck. And we also have MK Ultra. That was your message. Somebody want you to get used to being in toxic relationships. You must be okay if a man is fucking on his wife. You must be okay if a man is with a girl, but you're not sure if he wants to be with her long term, so him seeing him options. I'm getting you're the star. You're going to be the star and somebody else's side, bitch. You're going to be the star. It's nothing if you got through. And we are so happy. We are so happy for Cardi B. Cardi B and our new man. When name, I am so happy, and you know that I don't know what that guy is going through. But Stefan, you is a very brave man, sir, because after Offset, look like he was going to fuck up Cardi B life. You didn't give a fuck. You decided I still want to hit that. And I am happy for her. Whether it lasts or it don't last, I am very, very happy that she has found love again. Even if the love is for 6 months or a year, I'm very, very happy. And I'm very happy to see a strong man like Stefan. Him could have stepped up to the plate, knowing that Cardi B had 2 daughters, knowing the whole shit she was going through with Offset and every single thing. And I'm just glad that he was a man for don't give a fuck what people want to say. One day ago, New Times India. India is talking about Cardi B. Worry about your boyfriend. Cardi B slammed for fashion rant as fans drag Stefan Diggs into the conversation. The only reason why them a come for you is because them never thinking that they're with nobody else. Bitches and us and wiggles, them hate, blood clot, hate to see a bounce back off after a really toxic relationship. You don't see say Iggy Azalea never bounced back. She never bounced back after that. After that nigga was done with her pussy, Brody, like did she go back to Australia? What the fuck happened to Iggy Azalea? Did she went back to Australia? Why she never find a black Australian to be with? That's what fame will do to you. Fame will make you date people you never blood clot date. Because it's all for the cameras. I'm very, very happy that Stefan Diggs decided to be a man. And not some of these dumbass, scary ass, put them dick between them ass, fold them dick between them ass type of man. And he decided that he wanted to know what the WAP was about. So the bucket in a mop, that's a... Yeah, you dealing with some wet ass pussy. Put a bucket in a mop. For some wet ass pussy, I'm getting wop. Get some wet ass pussy and go run. Let's get hard, extra hard and extra large. But it's wet in a mop for that wet ass pussy. Put a bucket in a mop for that wet ass. I am so happy that Stefan wanted to see what that wet ass pussy was about. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this ring. I'm going to, ow. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Until next time, goodbye.